Friends, today video we are going to be find gas cylinder gas level. So daily we will use gas cylinder and we don't know when it will over. So that is the reason we will find gas level in the gas cylinder using water. So we can see it is very easy, no need any device. So we'll get to know very easily. Let's start. So I'm already using this regular cylinder. So and this is full cylinder. This is full cylinder and still regulator is there I'm using, and alternate cylinder still seal not yet open, you can see here. So we will start. To find this you need some water and one cloth. Just dip it and remove excess water. First I will apply to using cylinder, then you can get to know what is the status. So I'm applying here from top to bottom. We'll wait for 4 to 5 minutes. So this 4 to 5 minutes I will speed forward. See here, the complete water evaporated here, and here only it is there. So here only it is there. It means that one, the gas level up to here only it is there. I will remove zoom option. Due to more water, I will speed up the video. We will put into the 4x later. Yeah, that's it friends. Up to here gas is there. Even last video also I shown by using cloth. Up to here gas is there. Remaining all top part, no gas. So this is the way we need to be find gas level. Still it's not wet. Still it is wet. But this complete pot dried. The complete pot dried and still wet is there. So almost 1.5 months is over my cylinder. So up to here gas is there. From here no gas. This is the way we need to be find it. This is completely new one. So still I didn't open seal also, you can see here. So you can see here. So I'm going to be zoom it little bit because of we have lighting, low light outside. You can see here. See here, this is completely evaporated, no water, but here water is there. So here still you can see here, up to here water is there, but here completely evaporated. So just dust removed, but water not there because of it is a cylinder, some having dust. But you can see here no water, but here completely water is there. If you have still questions, then you can do one thing. I will pour water. So I will zoom it video little bit and you can understand easily. See, at 15.7 no water, and slowly we'll come to that one. Still wet is there, you can see here, still wet is there, but at 15.7 no water. So here no water and here water is there. In video not able to recognize, but I will go to closer part. See here, now you got to know no water, but here still water is there. So you can see here at 15.7 no water, but remaining red color completely water is there. You can see very closely. This is the way you need to be find. See, from this border water is there, from this border completely no water.